Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Salesforce.com easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Salesforce.com, begin by researching the company's history and performance. Visit financial news websites and stock market platforms for the latest information. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that offers access to Salesforce.com stocks. Complete the application process by providing the necessary identification and financial information. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you're comfortable investing. Locate Salesforce.com on your brokerage platform using its ticker symbol, CRM. Review the current stock price and market trends before making a decision. Decide how many shares you want to buy based on your budget and investment strategy. Place your order through the brokerage interface, selecting either a market or limit order. A market order will buy at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set your desired price. Confirm your order and review the details to ensure everything is correct. Wait for the order to be executed, which can occur almost instantly with a market order. After your purchase, monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about the company's performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or company news. Stay updated on the broader market trends that may affect Salesforce.com stock. Regularly review your investment strategy and adjust as needed based on your financial goals. Remember, investing involves risks, so always be prepared for market fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.